Here's how to factory reset your Android phone without the password. Now, the first thing we need to do is to turn your phone off. To do that, we're going to press the volume down and power button at the same time. So you can see currently it's on, but it's locked. I'm going to press and hold the power and side button at the same time. Just continue to hold it until the phone screen goes black. And now, as soon as it goes black, we're going to press and hold the volume up and side button to start your phone in recovery mode. So the volume up and side button will turn your phone on, but in recovery mode instead. So you can see Samsung Galaxy here, and it will go through the process of starting in recovery. All you need to do now is use the volume slider. You can see reboot system now, but we're going to go down and you can see if I scroll down, wipe data and factory reset. It says if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter your Google account information, email, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. Now, all you need to do is hit that power button to completely factory reset this Android phone back to just as if you got it.